Hello all. In today's video, the topic covered is Mealy Machine. Just as an overview, the Mealy Machine is the one type of FA with the output. As FA have two categories, FA without output and FA with output. So generally it is FA without output and with output. Okay. So if we are taking without output, we are having DFA, NFA and NFA null. Okay, and the FA with output will have a categories like Mealy Machine and Mealy Machine. So here we will cover a Mealy Machine, that means it is an FA with output. So first of all, what is the definition of Mealy Machine is, it has having a 6 tuples. See, in the DFA, NFA and NFA null, we are having the 5 tuples because no output will be there. Only we are able to know whether our string is accepted or non-accepted. But in the Mealy and Mealy, we are having the output with each and every state, that what is the output at this state. So one extra tuple will be added, that is the output. So as the Mealy Machine is having a 6 tuple. The very first is Q, that is the set of states. Second is also same, sigma, that is the input alphabets. The third is new in the Mealy and Mealy, that is the delta. Delta is the output alphabet, that means what output in each and every state you are getting. Fourth is delta, that is the transition function, that is same like DFA. With each and every state you are providing some of the input, and at the output you are getting some of the state. Fifth is lambda, that is new for you in the Mealy Machine, that is the machine function. What is that? It is a machine function. See, delta and lambda both are the functions. This is the Mealy Machine function, this is the machine function for input. That means with each and every state, suppose you are providing some of the input symbol, with the state some input symbol, so that will be some output you will get. This is the transition function, this is the machine function. That means how the transition will be done is, with each and every state some input will be given, and this you will be reachable to some of the state that is already defined within Q. But what is delta? That is within each and every state, if some inputs are going to be provided, you will get some output that will be in the form of delta. Okay, and Q0 is initial state. See, as an introduction purpose, Mealy Machine, with each and every Mealy Machine, how you are going to draw, just a very easiest idea I am giving you. For example, the task is given to you, draw the Mealy Machine that will give you an output 1 if the input string ends in BAB. Suppose we are drawing here the Mealy Machine for the same. Always remember, in the Mealy and Mealy, if the task is given to you like ending in this or accepting with this, so you have to draw the logic of string ending in. Suppose here it is also given like draw the Mealy Machine for output 1 if the occurrences of BAB, it is not given that ending with, so you have to automatically understood you have to draw like a logic ending with. One more difference between Mealy and Mealy you have to remember while you are drawing this. In the Mealy Machine, suppose the string given is BAB, that means you have to draw FA ending with BAB. But here you don't have to draw the FA ending with BAB. What you have to do, there is some twist in the logic. Just see here, draw the FA ending with BA, but now last not the B but B you have to take automatically in the second last state. Just take an example, B A B. Okay, so basic we will draw like a way, B A, and for the B we will come back. It is a deterministic FA, that means the same rules of DFA will be followed here. What are the rules? With each and every state there must be a one transition only for each and every input symbol. That means from this state B is there but A is not there, so we have to set. So we will provide a loop of A. Again, in this state, the transition for A will be there, but no transition for B will be there. So we will provide a loop of B. See here, you have to make a FA like a way string ending with BA, not BAB. First of all, try to make an FA string ending with BA only. Okay. So BA string ending with BA. Just draw the DFA for the same string ending with BA. That means the number of occurrences of A will come. It doesn't matter. The number of occurrences of B at the second state will come. It is also doesn't matter. If the B is coming, we will come back to the second last step. So again A will come, it will be accepted. If the A will be there, you have to go back to the initial state. So again A you have to traverse. Now this is the basic FA structure we have drawn. Now it's time to convert into the Mealy Machine. The rules of Mealy Machine are, with each and every input symbol, input some output is associated. Okay. What was the machine function? With each and every state some input is given and output is given to you. That means draw the same DFA. Now question given is an output 1 if the input is BAB. So just observe here where the BAB will be there, B, A and B. That means here B, A and B. So where the last occurrences of BA will be there, at that time just put 1, because we have to put output 1. And for the remaining all the positions, the output will be 0. That means where the occurrence of BAB will be there, at that time only the output will be 1. Remaining all the input strings have the output 0. So this is the final Mealy machine for the given task. Now it's time to draw a transition table for the same. In the Mealy machine, the transition table will contain 2 types of columns. That is, first the number of states, that is Q0, Q1, Q2. Here no concept of the accepting will be there, so no star will be there in the transition function. Only with each and every state you will get some output. The number of inputs will be A and B. So how you will provide the transition table? If you are in Q0, input symbol is A. If you are in Q0, input symbol is A. So what will be the output at that time? You will be in Q0 with output 0. You will be in Q0 with output 0. If you are in state Q0 and B will be there. If you are in Q0 and B will be there. So you will be in Q1 with output 0. You will be in Q1 with output 0. Same strategy is provided and the transition table will be made. Okay, now we will take another most important example, that is draw the Mealy machine for the 2's complement for the binary number. First of all, try to understand the concept of 2's complement. Whenever we are taking the binary number, if you have observed, what is 2's complement? How we will find? So it is 1's complement plus 1 we have to do. That is the LSB. Just take an example, 1010. So 1011. So how the 2's complement of this will be? First to do the 1's complement, that is 0100, add 1. That is 1010. This will be a result. Another, we are taking 10010. So first to do the 1's complement, 01101, addition of 1, 1, that is 0, 1 will be carried out. So again 1 will be here, 1, 1. So if you have observed, what is the logic behind that is, since the first one is coming, suppose here from the left hand side you have to read the string, the first one is coming, that will be as it is, and after that, see, the direction is very much important here. After that, the 1's complement you have to apply. That means of 1 there will be 0, of 0 there will be 1. Okay, just observe this example. After first one, that means till the first one is coming, the string of number of zeros will be as it is. See, yeah, first 0 will be as it is. First one also will be remain as it is. After the first one, the reverse, that is the 1's complement of the string will be followed out. 1 0 0, it will be 0 1 1. So logic is very much clear. So just focus on the Mealy machine. First is 0, Q0. The number of times 0 will come, it will be replaced 0 as it is. Okay, the first time, it is not loop, it is the one direction only, first occurrence. So if first time 1 is coming, so first will be replaced with 1 will be replaced with 1 as it is. After that, any number of 0 will come, it will be applied to 1, and the 1 will come, it will be applied to 0. That means 1 will be originated to 0 and 0 will be replaced with the 1. Just take an example. Here this same string we are taking 1011. So if we are in Q0, first 1 is coming. That means 1 will be replaced with 1 as it is. Okay. Sorry, we have to read from here. The first one will be remain as it is. So this is the first. After that again 1 is coming. So 1 will be replaced with 0. So here again 0 is coming. 0 will be replaced with 1. So 1 is coming. So 1 will be replaced with 0. So it is the solution for the 2's complement of the given number. Okay. Hope you are cleared with these examples. Do the more examples. If you have any query, you can ask. Thank you for watching the video.